In a green jungle pond lived a grumpy frog who hated one thing: rain. Not again, he croaked, hiding under a leaf. Why does it always have to rain? The ducks swam happily, the plants glowed greener, and the birds danced in puddles. I just want sunshine. The frog groaned, pouting by the pond. One day, the rain didn't come. The pond dried up. The grass turned brown. The frog felt dizzy. Suddenly, drip, drop, drip, the rain returned. The pond filled again, and life danced around him. The frog leapt high with joy. Okay, maybe rain isn't so bad after all. Moral of the story: sometimes the things we dislike are the ones we need the most.